Just today, we conducted, the World Cafe of Opportunity. This is in line also with our celebration for the 25th day, the 25th day of August, which is tomorrow, as the National Textbook Day. So this was being established through Republic Act 109/70 in 2018. And this is to recognize and promote the vital contribution of technical vocational education and training in developing a skilled, competent, and productive Filipino workforce. Tomorrow will also be our 32nd TESDA anniversary. So, doble na siya, no? Textbook Day at the same time, 32nd founding anniversary. So, today, we conducted the 2026 World Cafe of Opportunities. So, unsa man ni siya? It's a collaboration. It is in collaboration with SATV, ang atong association sa mga technical vocational institutions dito sa Surigao, DOLE, the City Government of Surigao, through sa atong City Mayor, si Mayor Paul Dumlao, ang atoang provincial government through kang Governor Lyndon Barbers, through sa atong PPSO, provincial peso nato, no? And other stakeholders, we have about 12 national line agencies and 19 ka mga industries nga employers nga ni appeal karon. Gibutang nato ang mga services in one setting para atong among gikuan ani is atong gi-promote ani gyud ang katong skills na kailangan sa atong mga industriya, priority skills nato for Surigao, which is construction and mining. We also have manatay tourism, and we have also the welding and fabrication and driving and transportation as part of its allied qualifications na para sa construction. So mao na siya ang mga skills nga atong gipangita, no? So ato pong gipangita tong, because it's a skills matching dito na to sa area, and we are also seeking, ginihatag po diri ang atong mga national agencies o mga services nila para sa mga job seekers. So we are not only serving the mga job seekers na apotay mga graduates na to sa TechVoc, na atay mga students, na mga walk-in, so tanan atong ginahatagan nito. And during that day, we also have naatay ang Department of Labor and Employment, naghatag po sila mga livelihood projects, nag-award sila dito during sa activity. And ato ning gihimo nung kuan ba siya, hybrid, because katong mga naa sa Siargao, ato man siyang gi-serve gihapon through virtual through Zoom, nagkuanta via Zoom. So, naas dito na sila nag-apply, ang uban nag-serve dito, ang uban gusto magpa-enroll, amo nang gi-serve po gihapon. And same is true with other agencies like PhilHealth, katong sa ilang mga yakap, daghan, and any other mga national line agencies. Labi na tong maghatag yun og serbisyo para sa mga trabahante o mga umaabot nga trabahante. Say thank you to both of you. For and in behalf sa amo ang secretary, si Secretary Francisco Kiko Benitez, sa among regional director, si Regional Director Florencio June Sunico. We would like to express our heartfelt thanks to all of you for giving us the opportunity to have this aired. And we are among giawat ang mga Surigaonon nga if na may kailangan, feel free to visit our office diri sa Capitol Road. Feel free, we are open diri sa opisina from 8 to 5. Kung magkuan mi kanang mag-compress work, you work with me, naami diri naray tao diri from 7:30 until po sa gabi naapay tao diri kung mag 10 hours na. So, but we are also di magkaroon among mga activities siya. So kana lang siya siguro among panawagan no nga kung naamoy kailangan nga nami katabang, feel free kung gusto magpa-assess anhi diri kaya atong tanawon kung unsa mo ikatabang sa inyo. Daghang salamat ug maayong hapon sa tanan.